Hello everyone, I am Sanjeena Chettri, a student at Medhavi Skills University, striving towards bachelor's degree in hospitality and hotel management. Today, I would like to share my experience on the job training. In the third semester, I seized an opportunity to undergo training at Hyatt Regency, Kolkata, a 5-star property. The university provided hands-on practical classes and curriculum before venturing into the job learning. Eventually, that laid the foundation for the challenges and opportunities that awaited me during my training period. Working at a 5-star property was a dream come true for me because I am passionate about baking. I was fortunate enough to work in the bakery section. Although my first day was really challenging and was totally different from what I had actually imagined. During the 8-month training period, I faced long hours saved, no weekends off. But I preserved myself and learned valuable skills like time management, handling busy situations, and teamwork. As I resume my studies at Medhavi Skills University, I am enthusiastically building my own bakery business from home, investing all the invaluable skills that I have gained during my training period. Thank you.